If you look online right now, you are drowning in a tidal wave of posts claiming the next AI tool will solve all your problems overnight. Today, we are testing the reality of 5 specific platforms: ChatGPT, Leonardo, Notion AI, Runway ML, and Pictory. Almost all of these are marketed as free. In reality, they operate on a freemium model engineered to embed into your daily habits and eventually lock you behind a subscription. This checklist replaces hyperbolic claims with objective criteria, the unrecoverable learning time and immediate workflow disruption. Free tiers are designed to throttle output exactly when you start extracting real value. Once you hit that limit, your productivity heart stops. To find what actually works, we have to stop looking at standalone features. We need to categorize these platforms by the specific workflows they serve. True productivity requires identifying your specific operational bottleneck and finding the one tool built to clear it, rather than hoarding dozens of free logins you never use. This comparison matrix shows the text and admin stack. We are evaluating ChatGPT and Notion AI for users whose primary currency is time optimization. Extracting value from ChatGPT requires deliberate prompt engineering. Typing in a basic search query gets you generic results. You have to dictate format, tone, and constraints. When prompted effectively, it rapidly summarizes dense datasets and drafts highly structured text in seconds. The trade-off is accuracy. The time you save generating a draft is frequently eaten up by the mandatory manual fact-checking required to catch AI hallucinations. Notion AI presents a different hurdle. To use it, you have to migrate your entire personal note-taking ecosystem into their platform. That is a massive upfront time investment, and Notion's freemium cap is strict. After a set number of free prompts, you hit a hard, unavoidable paywall to continue using the AI features. These text tools promise instant administration, but their real-world application demands constant vigilance against factual errors or sudden billing gates. Expanding this matrix downward reveals the visual production stack. This evaluates Leonardo AI and Runway ML for users who prioritize high-fidelity artistic quality over sheer speed. Operating these tools requires steep technical patience. You have to master complex node-based interfaces and tweak negative prompting parameters over and over. The payoff for that steep learning curve looks like this: stunning, highly customized static images and unique B-roll video that matches your exact creative vision. But the visual free tiers share a severe trade-off. Compute credits, or tokens, burn incredibly fast during your inevitable trial and error learning phase. This aggressive token burn rate makes it impossible to maintain consistent, high-volume visual production without upgrading to a paid account. Free visual AI functions strictly as a timed training ground. It lets you learn the interface, but professional, ongoing work inevitably requires a paid subscription. Completing the final row of our matrix is the automation stack, featuring Pictory. This is built exclusively for users needing high-volume content scaling. The input requires feeding a raw text script into the engine and completely relinquishing structural and creative control to the software. The software outputs instant, templated, fully captioned videos that are ready for immediate export. But automated speed costs you quality. The resulting content is highly homogenized, using repetitive layouts that fail to stand out in a crowded feed. You also pay a hidden time cost. You have to spend significant time manually scrubbing the timeline to replace the nonsensical AI B-roll choices it often makes. Automation platforms trade creative uniqueness for scale. The promised instant video still requires substantial manual intervention before you can actually publish it. Attempting to adopt all 5 of these tools simultaneously is a guaranteed way to kill your productivity through tool fatigue. This decision flowchart maps out a framework for identifying your single most critical operational bottleneck. If your bottleneck is admin and writing, you follow this branch directly to ChatGPT. It offers the most robust output for the lowest cost of entry. If you require high-end visuals, you route to Leonardo and Runway ML. And if you need bulk video generation, your path maps to Pictory. Selecting the right tool means deliberately choosing which hidden cost, time, steep learning curves, or loss of quality, you are most willing to pay. For students and time-poor professionals, stick exclusively to ChatGPT. It provides the highest daily return on your time investment. Avoid the friction of a Notion AI migration unless you already use Notion and have pre-approved the monthly budget to unlock its AI permanently. For ambitious creators, invest the time required to learn Leonardo and Runway ML to future-proof your visual skill sets. Treat them strictly as training grounds, and prepare to budget for a subscription as soon as you transition to professional client work. For marketers and automators, use Pictory only if sheer publishing volume drastically outweighs your need for a bespoke brand identity. The ultimate measure of an AI tool is its ability to remove friction from your specific workflow without introducing new learning burdens. Optimize for your bottleneck and ignore the hype.